I'm joined by Ashok Dhavle, who is part of the five-member empowered committee which has been formed by Sanyukt Kisan Morcha. Sir, what are the agendas that you are going to discuss in the meeting with the central government if that happens?
Today, the Sanyukta Kisan Morcha meeting, first of all, congratulated the farmers and workers of the entire country for the historic victory after a one-year struggle of the repeal of the three farm laws. After that, we discussed the other thing regarding all the other remaining demands, about which the central government has so far not been very forthcoming. Among those were policy issues were number one, the MSP demand, MSP central law to guarantee MSP. The second was the withdrawal of the Electricity Amendment Bill 2020. The third one was regarding this whole pollution ordinance and trying to, this thing involve the farmers and make problems for them. These were the three policy issues. The other three issues were directly a result of this movement itself. There have been thousands of farmers who have been slapped with false police cases in the last 1.5 years.
Which means, more or less, you are going to press for the demands which were raised in the letter that was sent to the Prime Minister.
Correct.
So I want to also understand from you, there have been, very clear indications that the Home Ministry and different sources of the government was in touch with different farm leaders, be it Mr. Balbir Singh Rajewal or Mr. Yudhvir Singh. And did Home Minister Amit Shah hold a meeting with these leaders?
One thing is that they were in touch, definitely. They were in touch.
Mr. Rajewal and Yudhvir Singh.
They were in touch, and there's there's no secret about it. This was in the last few days after the repeal of the farm laws. Today, the SKM decided that instead of having one-to-one talk like this, it should be a very transparent process. This entire agitation, as you know, for the last 1 year, has been very transparent, and therefore it has been so united. And that's why this five-member committee
one clarification. Was there a meeting, direct one-to-one meeting between Mr. Rajewal or Mr. Yudhvir Singh and Home Minister Amit Shah?
That I think you should ask them. You should ask them whether that was the case or not. But there certainly was contacts. Certainly, about that there is no doubt. That was very openly reported in today's meeting, no question about it. We are not hiding it. Why should we hide it? After all, eventually we'll have to have some discussion with the government to solve all the remaining issues. The point is that now we have set up a official mechanism of the SKM to have any further talks with the central government.
When are you expecting this meeting with the central
government? Now let us see, tomorrow, day after, we are expecting, let us see what they do. Because on the 7th of December is the next SKM meeting where this five-member committee will report if there is anything to report regarding the talks with the government. And then the SKM will be the final decision maker. That has always been the case in the last 1 year. There is no change to that. Right now we have decided until there is a satisfactory response from the government on at least some of the issues, the agitation will definitely go ahead and no farmer will return from the borders.
Right. Thanks a lot for speaking with India Today. So that was Mr. Ashok Dhavle, one of the member of the five-member committee, empowered committee that has been formed by the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha. And he's clearly saying that there was contact between Home Minister Amit Shah and the farm leaders of the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha, including Mr. Balbir Singh Rajewal and Yudhvir Singh in the past couple of days to end the deadlock that is going on between the central government and the farmers. With video journalist Manin, this is Amit Bhardwaj for India Today from Singhu border.